So my friends at Luxurious Perfume sent me a very, very nice fragrance called Taraf. Taraf is a niche Emirati fragrance by Latafa. And I must be honest with you, I am so impressed with this bottle. It's just stunningly beautiful. Now, this fragrance is a very niche fragrance, and it opens with a cherry and strawberry fragrance or tone. Oh, that is just lovely. The cherry is the star of the show. A little bit of strawberry, but I must be honest with you, that cherry is just marvelous. It smells so cherry-like, it's just beautiful. It tones down in a little bit of a vanilla, an amber, and a musk tone, but it's not as hyped as like the cherry. The cherry is just, it's so beautiful, guys. I'm just be honest with you. It's not like it's like a real cherry tone to it, a fragrance to it, a smell, or you can call it a taste to it. And this is just marvelous. Guys, I would suggest get on WhatsApp, give the Luxurious Perfumes a call. Contact numbers will be on displayed at the bottom. Give them a call, send them a WhatsApp, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This is a beautiful niche perfume from Latafa, and it's very stunning.